Tonight, more people are speaking out about the COVID-19 outbreak at Robertsdale Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center. The center confirmed on Friday over the past few weeks, 44 residents and 24 employees tested positive for COVID-19. The Alabama Department of Public Health has now launched an investigation. NBC 15's Laura Barczewski joins us now. Laura, one couple believes they contracted COVID after being at that center.
Andrea, a woman tells me her husband went to Robertsdale Rehabilitation Healthcare Center after he fell and broke his neck last year. She says he was sent home just recently, and now they're both fighting COVID-19.
I don't have any proof of it, but I feel that's where it came from because he has not been anywhere except for here. He came from there and came here, and I think he went to the doctor's office once since he's been home.
Marcia Ogburn says she's now extremely worried about her own health as well as her husband's. She says he was already in rough shape after leaving Robertsdale Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center.
I really strongly feel that if anybody's been released in the last couple of weeks, they should probably be tested.
One Robertsdale resident who wanted to remain anonymous says several years ago he was concerned staff at Robertsdale Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center weren't following proper infection protocols before the pandemic.
Being a healthcare professional and working multiple nursing homes over the course of many years, this seems to be a habit in nursing homes for people not following guidelines and protocols, yes.
He says he had a family member there being treated for an illness that required similar protocols to those dealing with COVID-19, and he believes he witnessed a nurse not following the proper protocols.
Did not put on a gown, did not put on gloves, she didn't use any protective gear, did not wash her hands, or she did not use the available hand sanitizer when she walked in the room. After she walked in the room, I witnessed her taking blood pressure on my relative. She walked straight out of the room without washing her hands or using, again, disinfectant, and walked straight across the hall into another resident's room to take their blood pressure, contaminating this other patient.
He says he thinks similar actions may be happening now.
I would hope to think that they see now what's going on and change their ways.
What could happen if they don't?
People will die.
A statement NBC 15 received on Friday from Ball Healthcare Services, which oversees this facility, says they have restricted visitation and followed testing and screening protocols. Andrea?